Hi everybody, 860 Cologne, the voice of fragrance with another video. This time, it's going to be an unboxing and first impressions of Roi d'Orient by Rituals. Now, I literally know nothing about this company or the fragrance. I saw these were on sale, so I decided to give it a try. It wasn't that much. This is a 50 ml bottle, and I think it was less than $50, so decided to give it a try. On the back here we have Oriental Essence. Inspired by their journeys into the Orient, our perfumers uncovered a fragrant treasure of exclusive spices and ingredients to compose our bespoke collection of luxury eau de parfums. This is an eau de parfum, and they continue. Roi d'Orient, imagine the adventurous journeys of ancient Arabian princes who explored the desert dunes by night and found comfort in the glow of a smoldering campfire. They give some notes: Arabian amber, white pepper, and musk. From what I can tell, Rituals is kind of like a body shop type store, I would assume. I may be completely off on that. For these first impression videos, I kind of want to know nothing about it except for the little bit of investigation that I do to try to figure out which fragrances I really want to buy and find out which ones I think would work well with me. So here we go. We have a quality seal in the back that we're gonna unquality, I guess. All right, here's the bottle. Cap's kind of loose there. It turns, but actually it's snug fitting on. Well, here we go. Ooh. Ah, okay. I do remember that somebody said this kind of was similar to Valentino Uomo. But this is kind of like if Valentino Uomo was more of a niche fragrance. I'm definitely getting an anise or a licorice vibe in here, and that's mixing well with the woodiness in the background of this fragrance. I think hazelnut was also mentioned. If not, my brain is mentioning it because I can definitely smell something sweet in here as well that's giving off that sweet, nutty and woody vibe. As it's drying down, I'm getting more of more sweetness going towards what I call a nougat vibe. That the nougat is what I get in Black Phantom, but I get too much of it. Here, it's actually mixing quite nicely. Creamy, licorice, woody, sweet, a little bit of smoke in there as well. This is actually a really nice fragrance. For less than 50 bucks, this is really nice. I'm gonna have to do some more investigating on this one to find out what this company is about and see what their other fragrances are about, because if they're anything like this, they're gonna be really nice. That's really pleasant. It's a pleasant, deep, sweet, inviting fragrance. This is actually quite nice. This may just be my mind taking me there, but I'm getting a bit of a boozy vibe, almost like a very fresh ouzo smell. This is definitely going to be a going out fragrance, a dress to impress fragrance. Work, I don't think this would be appropriate at all because it's pretty potent. You know, I've only had it on for 10-15 minutes, but unless it dies down to nothing real quick, I would not wear this to work at all. The sweetness in this one makes me think that just about any age range could wear it. College and up for sure, but leaning toward postgraduate 30s and up age range. Maybe sweet enough that a high schooler might be able to wear it to a dance or something like that, but not an everyday fragrance at all for the typical high schooler. It's not pumping out so hard right now that I think this would be a bad thing to wear on a first date. I think it actually might be something to invite her in, your date in, because it is sweet, it's inviting, it's gourmand, kind of makes them want to maybe nibble on you a little bit. Definitely Oriental in the fragrance terms. I actually like this one a lot. I had no expectations on this one, but if you see this around for the price, I think it's really worth it just from an initial impressions. I'll deal with performance later and report back on that, but I really like this one a lot. Let me know if you've tried this one and if you have anything else from Rituals that might need to be sniffed. So comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.